prosperous and the beautiful, to me, seem not to wear the yoke of conscience, masterful, which galls me everywhere. I cannot shake off the god. On my neck me makes his seat. I look at my face in the glass, my eyes his eyeballs meet. Enchanters, enchantresses, your gold makes you seem wise. The morning mist within your grounds more proudly rolls, more softly lies. Yet spake yon purple mountain, yet said yon ancient wood, that night or day, that love or crime leads all souls to the good.
Hello.
Yes, we met. At Henley, wasn't it?